Shri Sai Satcharitra in Marathi by late Govind Raghunath Dabholkar. Translation in English by late Zareen. Adhyay 6, OV 12. कागद घेऊनी लिहू म्हणता, अक्षरी अक्षर येई न जुळविता, परी तोची जेव्हा लिहवी स्वसत्ता, लिहिता लिहिता लिहवेना. Intent on writing. When you take up paper and pen in hand, words elude you, but when he makes us write at his command, it becomes difficult to cope with the flow of the words. जव जव अहंभाव डोकावत, निज करे तया तळी दडपित, वरी करोनी निज शक्तिपात, शिष्यास कृतार्थ करीत ते. The moment ego raises its head, he immediately suppresses it, and by creating the awareness of higher consciousness, he brings to the disciple a sense of fulfillment. काया वाचा मने येता, लोटांगणी साई समर्था, धर्मार्थ काम मोक्ष हाता, चढ़ती न मागता आपैसे. When you surrender to the powerful Sai, body and soul, virtue, wealth, love and deliverance are attained without striving and unasked. कर्म ज्ञान योग भक्ति या चौमार्गी ईश्वर प्राप्ति, जरी ही चार चौबाजू निघती, तरी ही पोचविती निज ठाया. The fourfold path of karma, that is action, jnana, that is knowledge, yoga, that is yogic powers, and bhakti, that is devotion, though each is distinct from the other, all lead to the same goal. भक्ती ही बाभुळवणीची वाट, खाचा खळगे अति बिकट, एक पावली परी ती नीट, हरि निकट नेई की. The path of bhakti is the thorny path, like the path through the prickly babul forest. It is full of pits and potholes. One or two steps in the right direction takes you really close to God. कांटा टाळुनी टाका पाय, हाची एक सुलभ उपाय, तरीच निज धाम पावाल निर्भय, निक्षुनी गुरुमाय वदेहे. You should avoid the thorns and step forward. You will reach the destination without fear. This is the only remedy, says the Guru Mai very clearly. मनाचे मळे जै भक्ती शिंपिले, वैराग्य खुले ज्ञान फुले, कैवल्य फळे चित्सुख उफळे, अचूक चुकले जन्म मरण. When the orchard of the mind is watered by devotion, detachment will grow, knowledge will blossom, union with the Supreme Spirit comes to fruition, and joy will burst forth, avoiding the cycle of birth and death as a certainty. मूळ परमात्मा स्वयंसिद्ध, तोची सच्चिदानंद त्रिविध, उपाधी योगे झाला प्रबुद्ध, प्रकट बोध भक्तार्थ. The primeval Supreme Soul is self-existent. It is the threefold concept, Sat, Chit, Anand, that is, truth, consciousness and bliss. It appears by transformation in the visual image and actually manifests for the sake of the devotees. जैसा तो या त्रैगुण्ये व्यक्त, माया ही होऊनी क्रिया प्रयुक्त, सत्व रज तमा चाळवित, करी सुव्यक्त निजगुण. As Brahma became manifest through its threefold attributes, Maya became active and stirring. Sattva, that is righteousness, Rajas, that is activity. Tamas, that is inertia, exhibited her qualities. मृत्तिकेचा विशिष्ट आकार, तया नाम घटसाचार, घटफुटता नामरूप विकार, निघुनी पार जातात. When a particular shape is given to clay, it is called pot rightfully. But when the pot breaks, it loses its name, form and identity. हे अखिल जग माये पासाव, परस्परा कार्यकारण भाव, मायाची प्रत्यक्ष सावयव, होऊनी उद्भवली जगरूपे. The whole world is born of Maya, and both are cause and effect to each other. Thus, Maya itself manifests as it were with different limbs in the form of the world.